Right guys, so we've just arrived at Jeremy Lynch's house. This is a client that we've worked with before. As you can see, he had our PVC system laid originally. He's now made this into like a Marvel man cave, cool space. We'll show you some of the stuff he's got in here. But yeah, he wants to use our new vented system as it matches the theme of the room. So we're gonna get this floor out. This will be repurposed and sold on to someone else, and we're gonna put the new vented system in, and we're gonna show you guys the whole process. So we've just got to get Jeremy's bike out, and then it's time to rip the old floor out. He's had this floor down for a few years now. He films a lot of content and he's been abusing the floor, so he did a big wheel spin across the floor on his bike, which has obviously left this mark. Could probably be cleaned off, but because we've got this new system that's going to suit the room, we're now going to pull all of this out and get started with the new floor. So the old tiles are now being removed. Time to give it a quick clean up, and we're going to start laying the new tiles.
So, while the boys are doing the easy job of whacking in the full tiles, I'm just going to make a start on the harder cuts. So we've got quite a few angle cuts here.
So we're on the last few cuts here, and unfortunately we've run out of tiles. Luckily we're only about half an hour away from our unit here, so we've got Ollie saving the day. He's just jumped in the van with some tiles. He's going to come down and give us the last few tiles just to finish this all up.
So, the main man himself. Not all heroes wear capes. The superhero, Ollie Richardson! Right, that's us all done for Jeremy Lynch. As you can see, this floor has really set the scene in this garage with all the marble stuff. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.